Claude Skills 2.0 is insane. Claude just dropped Skills 2.0, and it is a big deal. We are talking about AI that can now test itself, fix itself, and stack on top of itself. Build once, run forever, no babysitting. I am going to show you exactly what Skills 2.0 is, how it works, and how to use it right now to build smarter AI workflows. Stay with me because the stuff at the end is going to blow your mind. So what is Claude Skills 2.0? Here is the simple version. A skill is like a folder. Inside that folder, you have three things. First, a file called skill.md. That is a plain text file with instructions that tells Claude what to do and how to do it. Second, reference materials like templates, data, and examples that Claude can pull from when doing the task. Third, scripts, which are bits of code that handle specific jobs like processing data or creating a file. Put all of that together and you get a reusable AI workflow. You build it once and Claude follows it every time. Now here is where Skills 2.0 goes way beyond the first version, and this is where it gets exciting. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Skills 2.0 has three massive upgrades. The first one is evals. Evals means Claude can now test your skill before you use it in the real world. You give it sample inputs, Claude runs through them, and it checks if the output matches what you wanted. If it does not, it flags the problem. Think about that. Your AI workflow now gets quality checked automatically. No more hoping it works. You know it works. The second upgrade is auto refinement. This means Claude does not just find the problem, it fixes it. Based on the feedback from the evals, Claude rewrites and improves the skill.md instructions on its own, so your skill gets better over time without you having to go back in and manually tweak things. That is the difference between a tool you have to maintain and a system that maintains itself. The third upgrade is composability. This means you can stack skills on top of each other. One skill handles research. Another handles writing. Another handles formatting. You combine them and you have got a complex multi-step AI agent running from start to finish. And all of this is portable across Claude.ai, Claude Code, the Claude API, and across Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans. Skills are also secure. Claude only loads the relevant parts of a skill when it needs them. Nothing extra gets pulled in. By the way, if you want to see real examples of AI skills like this being used to automate businesses, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours, that is exactly what we do inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to learn how to use AI automation to grow your business. Link is in the comment and description. Go check it out. Now let me show you how to actually build a skill. The tool you need is called the Skill Creator, and it is built right into Claude. Here is how it works. Step 1, open Claude and tell it you want to create a new skill. Step 2, describe what the skill should do. Be specific, because the more detail you give, the better the output. Let me give you a real example using the AI Profit Boardroom. The prompt I would use is this: create a skill that writes high-converting landing page copy for the AI Profit Boardroom. The page should explain what AI automation is, show the value of joining our community, highlight the key benefits for business owners, and end with a strong call to action. The tone should be clear, direct, and confident with no fluff. Claude will then build out the skill.md file with full instructions, suggest reference templates to include, and set up the whole structure. Step 3, run the evals. You give Claude a few test inputs and it runs through the skill and checks the outputs. For the landing page skill, you might test it with inputs like new product launch, free trial offer, or premium membership. Claude runs each one through and shows you what the output looks like. If the copy is not hitting right, Claude flags it, and then auto refinement kicks in and the skill gets updated automatically. Step 4, stack it with other skills if you need to. For the AI Profit Boardroom, you could stack the landing page skill with a traffic research skill and an email follow-up skill. Now you have got a full customer acquisition funnel running on AI. And here is the open loop I promised you earlier. There is a specific structure for your skill.md file that makes Claude follow it almost perfectly every single time. Your skill.md file needs 4 things. First, a clear name and description at the top that tells Claude exactly what this skill is for in 1 or 2 sentences. Second, a step-by-step process, because Claude follows numbered steps much better than big walls of text. Third, examples that show Claude what good output looks like, because when Claude can see the target, it hits the target. Fourth, rules and constraints that tell Claude what not to do. Things like do not add fluff, do not use formal language, always end with a call to action. Here is a real template you can use for the AI Profit Boardroom landing page. Skill, name, landing page writer for AI Profit Boardroom. Goal, write a high converting landing page that explains AI automation, shows the value of the community, and drives signups. Steps 1, write a headline that calls out the target audience. 2, write 3 to 5 benefit focused bullet points. 3, write a short paragraph on who this is for. 4, write a direct and compelling call to action. Example, output, headline, automate your business with AI and get more customers without working more hours. Rules, keep it simple, no jargon, no corporate speak, and every line should make the reader want to keep reading. That is the structure. Simple, specific, and it works. Now let me show you what composability actually looks like in practice. Say I want to build a full content system for the AI Profit Boardroom. Not just one piece of content, but a full machine that finds topics, writes content, formats it, and gets it ready to publish. Skill 1 handles research, where Claude searches for trending AI topics that the audience cares about and outputs a list of 5 topics with notes on why each one is relevant right now. Skill 2 handles writing, where Claude takes each topic and writes a YouTube script, a LinkedIn post, and a short email following the tone guidelines in the skill.md file. Skill 3 handles formatting, where Claude takes the written content and formats it correctly for each platform with timestamps for YouTube, line breaks for LinkedIn, and a subject line and preview text for email. Stack all 3 together and you have a content machine. 1 input, 3 platform-ready outputs, done. Skills 2.0 also includes benchmarking with variance analysis, and this is something most people are going to skip past. Do not. Benchmarking means you can run your skill multiple times on the same inputs and measure how consistent the outputs are. If your skill produces very different results each time, something is off with the instructions, and the benchmarking tool shows you exactly where the variance is happening. For the AI Profit Boardroom landing page skill, you would run it 5 times on the same brief and check if the tone, structure, and messaging stay consistent. Reliability is everything when you are running a business, and benchmarking gives you that reliability. Claude Skills 2.0 is available right now through Claude.ai on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans, through Claude Code for more advanced setups, and through the Claude API if you are building your own tools. The skill creator is built in with no installs needed. The people who move fast on this are going to have a serious edge because skills compound. The more you build, the more powerful your setup becomes. While everyone else is still doing things one prompt at a time, you have systems running in the background doing the heavy liftings. So here is what we covered today. Claude Skills 2.0 lets you build reusable AI workflows using a skill.md file, reference materials, and scripts. The 3 upgrades are evals for testing, auto refinement for fixing, and composability for stacking skills together into complex agents. You build using the skill creator inside Claude, run evals, let auto refinement improve the output, and stack skills to build full AI systems. The people who build this out now are going to be way ahead of everyone else 6 months from now. If you want to see how to use Claude Skills 2.0 and tools like it to automate your business, save time, and get more customers, come join us inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to scale your business with AI automation, with hands-on training, done-for-you templates, and a community of people who are actually building this stuff in the real world. Link is in the comment and description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one for free, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from this video plus access to our community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI.